Hello, good people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, on today's video, I'm going to answer some of your questions concerning monetization, and I'm going to share with you some of the tips at the end of the video that are going to help you stay monetized until the end. So, here's the thing, guys. Everybody is focusing on getting the 4,000 watch hours, 100 subscribers, or tackling monetization through shorts, right? After receiving that email that says, yeah, finally you've been accepted in the YPP, the journey has begun. That is not the end of the story. I thought after receiving that mail, everything was done. I was good to go. Everything was set and ready to go. Only to find that that was just the beginning. Okay, here's the tea. After receiving that email that welcomes you in the partners program, you have to go ahead and link your account with your AdSense account. That's the first thing. I think that's quite easy. If you didn't have an AdSense account back then, you can go ahead, create it, and then you link it to your YouTube channel. After that process is successful, it's now then that you're going to turn every monetization option on. Like you're going to monetize your recently existing videos, which I think YouTube does it automatically for you. But after that, every time when you upload a new video, you have to turn on monetization. So the main issue is not turning the monetization option on. There are some few things you need to complete before you could actually have the cash in your hands. I heard somebody say with Facebook it's somehow complicated, but I think with YouTube it's not that complicated. It's just a matter of knowing what to expect and following the right procedure. Okay. So after you have linked your account, your AdSense account to your YouTube account, you need to go ahead and verify your ID. Yes, you need to verify your ID. You're going to take a good picture of your ID, both front and back, and they'll take you through the process. There's nothing difficult there. Mine took like 2 days before they could send me a message and said everything is okay. So I thought I was good, set and ready to go, not knowing that there's still something else to be done, which was for my channel to reach at least $10 so that they can send me a pin. I worked on that, tried posting, I gained like few dollars on daily basis. Like I think daily I made $2 daily. So it took me something like a week for me to finally get that $10. So after that, they sent me an email saying, we have sent you your PIN. Now you need to verify your address. So they sent the PIN in the mail of the address that you said on your AdSense. So I saw weeks passing, like they were passing. I was now getting worried and they were now confusing me because I received like 3 emails requesting that I should input the PIN and prolong with my setup. But the PIN was not there. So I went ahead into the YouTube studio, tried troubleshooting to find why I haven't received my PIN yet. So the response was, we haven't sent you a PIN yet because you haven't reached a threshold. So when I look at my analytics in the YouTube studio, I noticed that there's a bar that's moving that I have to reach, and I haven't reached it. That's when I started working more hard, tried to convince people to watch my videos. But lucky enough, I found somebody who gifted me with a superstar, a sticker, and that was able to complete that little gap that was left there. So yeah, that was the entire process. After putting in the PIN, everything was now set except for the banking details. So I had to input my banking details so that everything will be processed correctly. So here are the tips. After reaching the threshold of $10, you still have another threshold to reach of 100 USD before the PIN could reach you. Mine has took me that long. It took 5 weeks, like full 5 weeks, for it to reach me. And one other thing that needs to be done is that one of linking your banking details correctly so that you get your payments. Okay, so here is the tip. There's a possibility that you can lose your monetization, and the only way you can keep it is by making sure that you stay within the requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour within a period of a year. If it happens that a year passes and your hours are not adding up, you're gonna lose your monetization. Again, one other thing that you need to pay attention to is the RPM and the CPM. So the RPM is what you take home. The CPM, it's up to the platform to decide. So there's some niches that pays more and some don't pay more. You need to make your choice diligently and choose that which pays more. And again, it's only going to reflect on the 20th to the 26th in your account. But if you have not reached the threshold between the 7th and the 12th of that month, forget about the 21st and the 26th. There are those niches that to perform well, like educational niches. Check on your CPM. Like when you record your videos, target those countries that have a higher CPM. For an example, we have the US, the UK, Canada, South Africa, France, and others. So that's the tea for today.